Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto rice. First, cook your favorite rice, about 1 cup, following the package instructions. Once cooked, spread it out on a baking sheet or plate to cool down completely. This step is crucial because warm rice can make the pesto oily and less vibrant. Cooling ensures a perfect, fluffy texture and keeps the flavors fresh. Next, let's prepare the star of the dish, the pesto. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now for the fun part, combining everything. Once your rice is completely cool, transfer it to a large bowl. Add your freshly made pesto, starting with about 1/2 cup and adding more to your preference. Gently fold the pesto into the rice until every grain is beautifully coated. You can also stir in some halved cherry tomatoes or toasted walnuts for an extra layer of flavor and crunch. Your delicious pesto rice is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately as a vibrant side dish, a light lunch, or even as a base for grilled chicken or fish. Garnish with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for a beautiful presentation. For more great recipes and deals, check the description below. And hey, while you're there, you might find a link to some amazing socks that come with a lifetime warranty. You deserve comfortable feet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.